Welcome. In this video, we'll design a full wireframe using only keyboard shortcuts, without using the mouse, and without relying on drag and drop. We'll use mini mode in MockFlow WireframePro for a clutter-free workspace and more canvas space, and create a simple login screen using only keyboard shortcuts. Let's start by creating the background using the key R for rectangles. We'll add another rectangle the same way and adjust its size as needed. Next, we'll add a heading using the T key for text, customize it, and then add a short description below it. After that, we'll create buttons using the B key and style them to fit the layout. Now, let's add the input fields. We'll start with T to add the field labels, then use the key R again to draw the input boxes below each label. We'll follow the same steps to create and adjust all the form fields. Next, we'll add a checkbox. Just press X to drop one in, and customize it. Then we'll use the key B again to add the main action button. And T to place supporting text like "Forgot password" below the form. Moving to the next section, we'll start with T to add a heading and a short description. Then we'll use I to add image placeholders. We'll repeat this to create placeholders for supporting visuals, button icons, and the logo. Once the layout is ready, we'll replace the image placeholders with actual visuals by selecting images from the MockFlow Image Library to complete the wireframe. That's a full wireframe, built only with shortcuts. Try it out in mini mode and see how fast you can design. More quick MockFlow tips coming up.